Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be doing this super glam makeup tutorial. So if you are interested and want to see how you can create this look for yourself, then keep on watching. So as always, I'm going to take my MAC paint pot in soft ochre and just use that to prime my lids. Then you're just going to want to take a little bit of sellotape and just put that on either side of your eyes. Then I'm taking the Dose of Colours Ice Cream palette and I'm taking the shade Berries and Cream. And I'm just going to be using that as my base shade. Then going in with my sleek Oh So Enchanted palette, and I'm just going to take this blue shade. And I'm just going to pop that all over my crease and just a bit above it as well, just to make my eyes seem bigger. And yeah, I'm also using pattern motions because I feel like this really picks up the pigment. And yeah, and of course you are always going to want to blend out as you go along, just so everything is seamless. Then I'm taking the Lasting Perfection Collection Concealer and I'm taking the shade Fair, and I'm just going to go in and pop on my cut crease. Then I'm going back in with my Dose of Colours Ice Cream palette and I'm going to be taking the shade Banana Split. And I'm just going to be popping that on the inner corner of my eyes. Then I'm going to be taking the shade Mint Chip. And I'm just going to be popping that kind of in the centre to the end of my lid. Then I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution palette. And I'm going to be taking this gorgeous blue shade. And I'm just going to pop that on the outer corner of my eye. Again, using pattern motions. And of course you are always just going to want to blend. And then once you're done, peel off the sellotape, and then I'm going in with the Rimmel London stamp liner and doing my wing liner. Then taking my favourite mascara, this is the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit, and I'm just going to coat my top lashes. Then mixing two shades from the Lasting Perfection Concealer, and I'm going to pop in the lighter shade underneath my eyes to brighten, and I'm going to use the darker shade to conceal. Then I'm going to take the Rimmel London Fix and Matte Translucent Powder and the Stay Matte Powder, and I'm just going to use the lighter one to pop under my eyes to brighten. And then pop the other one in all the other places that I want to powder. Then I'm going in with the Glamify lashes in GB11. Lashes done, and now I'm just going to wipe away that baking powder. Going back in with the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to be taking that same blue shade that we used on our outer corner. And I'm just going to pop that on my lower lash line. Then taking the Glitter Eyes Pressed Pigment Glitter. I'm not too sure what the name of this one is, but I will pop it down in the description below. And I'm just going to pop that on the inner corners of my eyes to make my eyes really pop. Going back in with my Bad Girl Benefit mascara. And I'm just going to coat my lower lashes. Then I'm going in with the Benefit Rocketure blush and just popping that on the tops of my cheekbones. Then I'm going back in with the Sleek palette and I'm taking this blue shade yet again. And I'm also going to go back in with the Makeup Revolution palette and taking again that same blue shade, and I'm going to be kind of mixing them both. Then the only thing I really had was this like hairnet, so yeah, but it works either way. So I'm just going to take this and press the pigment on top, and again you're just going to want to switch from the different 2 shades of blue. And then you are just going to want to pop any little scales anywhere on your face. It's completely up to you where you place them. Then I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter in the shade Flash. And I love this highlighter for this look because it kind of has like a greenish undertone. And I'm just going to pop that kind of on top of the scales to kind of just make it all shiny and kind of that like wet look. And then I'm also going to put a few scales on my neck as well. And yeah. Again, you don't need to do this. I just wanted to pop a bit extra on because I'm always extra AF. Then I'm taking the Glitter Eyes Pressed Pigment again, and I'm just going to kind of put that all over my neck just to give it a little bit of something. And look how pretty it looks. And I'm also going to put that on my face as well, just to give it that little bit extra. Then I'm taking the Velvet Lip Lacquer by MUA Luxe. And then I'm just popping that on my lips. Again, I'm not too sure what this shade name is, but I'll pop it in the description down below. Then I just have these little gems that I literally bought from Poundland, which is bargain because gems are like quite expensive depending on where you buy them from. And I'm just placing that on my forehead. Then I'm going back in with the Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter. I'm then going to pop that on the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, on my brow bone, and also on my lips as well, using the same technique as we used on my face. So that is the finished look. All I did was add a cheap wig. Yes, I know, it's cheap AF. But don't judge me because your girl's trying to save herself some coin. And also popped on a few shells and also made myself a little shell crown. And that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me if you want to see more. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.